Salam alaikum, bonjour à tous. Le club Arimiti Mechatronics vous présente cette vidéo et vous souhaite la bienvenue. Bon visionnage.
Je me présente, je suis Mourouane Farouk, élève ingénieur à l'ENSAM Casablanca et président du club Arimiti Mechatronics. Intégrer un club, c'était pour moi une nécessité afin de briser la routine des rythmes cours TD et TP. J'avais donc le choix entre une variété des clubs existants au sein de l'ENSAM Casablanca. J'ai opté pour le club Arimiti Mechatronics car j'ai trouvé que c'était le club le plus convaincant au terme du contenu technique ainsi qu'au sens d'activité. J'ai pleinement bénéficié de l'adhésion du club Arimiti Mechatronics à l'échelle professionnelle outre que personnelle. Je veux dire qu'au niveau au niveau professionnel, j'ai pu développer mes compétences, notamment dans le travail en équipe, l'ouverture sur le secteur industriel, le partage d'informations, le savoir-être et le savoir-faire. Sans oublier les capacités acquises au niveau de ma personnalité. Le club Arimiti Mechatronics a fait de moi une personne plus motivée, pleinement confiant en moi et énormément performant. Selon mon expérience et autant qu'élève ingénieur, je trouve que l'adhésion au club Arimiti Mechatronics présente une chose bien bénéfique pour tout le monde, dans tous les domaines. Ainsi, à savoir, ça présente une nécessité, un besoin, un truc indispensable pour toute personne ayant la passion de l'ingénierie.
Salam alaikum. Je suis Abdullah Adfa, élève ingénieur à l'ENSAM Casablanca et secrétaire général du club Arimiti Mechatronics. J'ai rejoint le club Arimiti Mechatronics afin de bénéficier de formations dispensées par le club, communiquer davantage avec les étudiants de l'ENSAM et découvrir le parascolaire. Le club Arimiti Mechatronics organise des événements, des compétitions internes, des compétitions externes, des visites. L'adhésion au club sera profitable pour tout le monde.
Hello everyone, I'm Hinda Khel, a future engineer at the National Higher School of Arts and Crafts in South Casablanca and Vice President of A&M Mechatronics Club. My wonderful story with A&M Mechatronics Club began 2 years ago when I made some researches about ENSAM and I found an article talking about A&M Mechatronics Club. I was so impressed when I read it about their accomplishments and I saw some photos of the members of the club and their projects. And I started some research about the mechatronics field and it fascinated me. When I started studying in some of Casablanca, I asked some of my friends about the club and they advised me to attend the General Assembly and this is what I did. And during the General Assembly, I confirmed with former vice presidents my engagements with the club. After that day, I enjoyed every single day in A&M Mechatronics workshop because I felt for the first time that I'm a real engineer who try many solutions to give life to a combination of electrical components. After some workshops, we heard about the organization of an internal competition by the club and I participated with my colleague Abdullah Dazi and we worked so hard because both of us had a dream of realizing a project. But we didn't do it because we didn't have the sufficient materials. But thanks to A&M Mechatronics, our dreams saw light. The day of the competition into the maze camp, we surprised all the people with our bright smart home and the jury congratulates us for our beautiful project. I couldn't describe what I felt that day because I realized one of my dearest dreams and I won the first prize that I never dreamed about. I participated also in an external competition with a team full of skilled engineer. We realized a sumo robot, which is a robot used to push the adversary robots out of a circle. After spending a year full of accomplishments, I became the club vice president because of the confidence of the members of A&M Mechatronics office. Furthermore, I will try my best to pass all all the valuable informations that I benefited from through my experience with the club, and I will try so hard to satisfy your needs, our new members. With A&M Mechatronics, you will have the opportunity to realize your own projects. You will participate in big projects and competition organized by the club. You will develop your own soft skills, and you will build strong relationships with competent engineers and learn a lot of things from them. A&M Mechatronics is just like a key that opens you the door of a good future full of bright achievements. So, if you want to benefit from the club services, fill in the form provided in the description, follow our news in our Facebook page, our Instagram accounts, and of course, our A&M Mechatronics channel, and wait for our General Assembly because we will give you more information about the club, and there is many surprises waiting for you. Thank you on behalf of all the members of A&M Mechatronics Club for watching the video. We hope that you will become a loyal member in our family, and you will repeat our slogans with us in all our events with pride in the futures. Join the revolution. Be a maker.